Our core business is to manufacture pesticides, agrochemicals and pigments.
What are the unique strengths of your company?
Our unique strength is to manufacture chemical products in a better way. We are good at chemical reactions. We are good at competitive manufacturing in chemical industry.
How do you add value to your products?
We go for products which are universally sold, universally distributed and universally consumed, and we make it very cost effectively and try to sell in as many countries as possible to the end consumers, adding value to it.
How your company has grown in the last few years?
We have been always growing at the rate of 15 to 25%, and we try to add products, we try to add countries in our marketing, and that's the rate we have been growing in last couple of years.
What are your priorities now?
I'm sorry?
What are your priorities now?
Our priorities is to see that our top line and bottom line both increase 15 to 20% every year in the coming years to come.
What steps you have taken to achieve this?
We have set up a unit called Make Money Fine Chem Limited, which will give us raw materials at the most competitive rates, the most basic chemicals. We have gone for expansion in agrochemicals at the same site, which is a 170-acre site in all, which will see that for coming years we have very good land available at the very right place for growth. That is called Dahej Industrial Area. We also acquired some plot in Dahej SEZ so that we can protect our top line and bottom line both without paying income tax in SEZ. So these are some of the steps we have taken for the growth. We have also simultaneously started debottlenecking all our existing plants, looking at the good demand of all our products across many countries in the world. We have tried to increase production and we are trying to run our plant at the full capacity.
How fast the expansion will add to the top and bottom line?
We believe that we have been growing at 15 to 20% every year in the past, and I have a reason to believe that looking at all the plans we have, we will grow at least 50 to 20% in the years to come.